look at the solution in tutorial 5. Majority as usual. Every time you all did well in the tutorials. Yeah, I don't worry about those theory you can understand well. It's just that try to use onwards. Make sure the keywords, key point are there and restructure the answer. I'm still waiting some other answer. Take your time. We still have time. Few more questions to go. 14, 15, and 16. 3 questions. Do you remember when is our test? Week? Do you remember which week? Let me check. Week 10, yes. So next week is week 9. Week 9, I will give you a revision pop quiz uh, on our calculation. I will give you a question for RSA algorithm, Diffie-Hellman, RSA algorithm, and what more? What is the one more? Chapter 3. Let me double check here. AES. AES, RSA, and Diffie-Hellman. 3 questions. Okay, 1 question each. Pop quiz next week. So you have a 1 week time to do revision, and then another week you will have the real tests. Let me see whatever I can. This part. Okay, this part we done. We do calculation. This one, no problem. Tutorial. This one, Diffie-Hellman, can 3 of you understand? Noel, can you understand?
Still learning.
Still learning. Which part? Which part still learning?
Diffie-Hellman.
Diffie-Hellman. Do you understand the one I display in the screen? Diffie-Hellman only 3 things they will going to ask. Whether they ask you find the public key or private key or the secret key. That's it. Private key and a public key, the formula is here. Okay, the formula given, and secret key also formula given. I'm not so worried about the step because we cover all the steps. Only one thing I'm worried is find out this one. Okay, find out the private key means the exponent. Okay, this one, find out the private key means, as I mentioned, 3 jenis soalan sahaja. 3 type of question can be asked in a Diffie-Hellman. Whether they give you public key, you find the private key. This is a method. Or they will give you private, you find public. And then the other one, you find the secret key. Formula all are here. Only this one I'm very. When we want to find out the exponent, if we because this value is small number. That's why we try few times, we get answer. How about if the value is large, let's say 20 plus or 30 plus? Do you ever think of what method we can use? Rather than substitution method, any other method we can apply to solve this problem?
Algebra.
Algebra? How
Yeah.
do you solve method?
Not sure.
How about the Pharaoh and Kelvin. Kelvin did mention this before, right? If a small number, no problem. But how if large number? If we keep on calculating, that's not a brilliant way. It's not a good way. Kelvin, do you manage to answer my question?
I still just use the 1248 eight, yeah, the 1248 things.
One,
One by
two.
yeah, the one two
Oh,
four eight do the binary thing.
binary thing. Binary thing. Which part we have? Let me look at the. Hey, where
Like
is my RSA?
like the 27, you change it to binary, and then you use the binary to get the thing.
That is for RSA, right?
Yeah, I think
Where is my RSA slide? Am I put in here? Uh, Hang on, let me double check. Too many calculation. Yeah, that is the correct way to do. Nanti kejap, let me scroll down. Is it here? Is it missing something here? Mm, Never mind. I open the notes. A brief, uh, a brief explanation, so you can have a revision. Am I share the RSA slide to you? The step RSA macam hmm, got chapter 4 got. Hmm. Am I put it somewhere else? Let me check my file. PDF. Let me
Yeah, I
present my
think
screen.
haven't.
Heaven, the one in pink color, not yet.
No.
I already saved in my computer. Maybe I forgot to upload nanti kejap. Nobody request me. Everyone understand already. I just remember the Diffie Hellman and forgot RSA. This one, ini.
Yeah.
Already uploaded. How come?
Yeah, haven't.
Haven't. Oh, yeah. This is the file that I want to. Uh, Ivory. This one no problem. This part. This part. This one mentioned when we want to find the D, right? We need to replace uh, the formula, yeah, the formula I provided. If let's say the answer here is a decimal, then we have to proceed. Proceed until we get a round number. Okay, proceed until How about, hang on, give me 1 minute. We need to proceed this until we get the round number. If and only if the replacement of I is a small number. Mean, let's say within, when I equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we still manage to do it this way. Pakai cara ini, no problem. And worry if the answer is big number like more than 20, then we might have problem in using this method. So to solve that problem, we need to use Euclidean algorithm. Do you ever learn Euclidean algorithm?
No.
Adakah? Sorry, one more time.
No. No.
No, don't have. Oh. So this one, I need to share with you this. Our example here, small number. But I found that when I go through more and more example, hey, how come if big number, then this will be a problem if you are using a normal substitution. Oh, yeah, this one have to teach. Huh? What time now? 11:26. I'll prepare a simple slide to show you how to do Euclidean. We still got time. That's always good. We prepare earlier. So mean next week lah. Next week during lecture. Lecture we have 2 hours. Then I will use. I will use the first half an hour review this part using Euclidean and extended Euclidean algorithm. RSA.
Oh.
And another one, here when calculation, macam-macam soalan. So this one, okay, if the power, yeah, this one Clevin remember already. We cannot simply put number. We have to use 2 power of 0, 2 power of 1, 2 power of 2. And then from there, you find out the combinations of the binary. Okay, let's say, I might have a pen, sticky note, tidak boleh. 1 minute. What is 2 power of 5? What is the answer? 2 power 32. Okay, so 7 equals to, how to get 7? We have 2 power of 0, 2 power of 1, 2 power. So we have, let's say 2. So means, so in this case, we have, okay, is 1. This is 4, right? 2 power of 2, this is 8. This is 4, this is a 2, this is 1. So in order to get 7, so we need binary 1, 1, 1. Okay, we need binary 1, 1, 1. That's why the combinations is this one, 421. So we get 421. Three of you clear on this, right? Last week we discussed during the tutorial. Three of you.
Why
Boleh?
one again?
Sorry. One more, your question.
Why one again?
Oh, because this is the binary.
Oh, it's
Binary.
6 lah.
6, 7. 4 plus 2 plus 1 equals to 7, right?
Okay.
Equals to 7. So we want, because here stated 7, so what is the combinations of this one number? How we get 1, 2, 4? Why not 1, 1, 1, 1, 5 or 1, 2, 2, 2, 5? There's no such combination. We need to look for the 2 power of x. Okay, we need to look for 2 power of x. So 2 power of x, 2 power of 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. And in order to get 7, so we need 4 plus 2 plus 1. So the last 3 digits, so 1, 1, 1. This is a 0 lah. Okay, this is a 0. Same goes to if a 27 or 23, we can use the same method. What's the previous question? How about if 23? Let's try. Oh, can I enlarge this? Same too. How about if here is a 23? Can you tell me what will be the combinations? If this is a 23, so we need 2 power of 4, right? We need 2 power of 4. 2 power of 4 is 16. So from this number, how can we combine and get 23? How we get 23? Anyone? How to get 23 from this 2 power of x? Boleh nampak sudah?
Just 16, 4, 2, 1.
16, 4, 2, 1. So 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. So means instead of we put power of 23, when at the power of 23, we can't find using calculator, the number too large. So we have to split the 23 become at the power of, what is this? At the power of 4. And then these two are this 4 digit here. This one, 16, 4, 2, and also 1. So here come from power of, what is the answer, final answer? So we will get, so when, let's say example, 8 power of 23, we will split it become 8 power 23 mod 187 equals to 88. Okay, we start from the smallest. 88 1 mod 187. And then we need to put bracket. Bracket multiply. This is a second. Second is 2, right? 2. So 88 power of 2 mod 187 multiply again. The third value we have is 4 and then 16. So 88, 4, and the last one is 88, 16. So when power 26 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 equals to 23. So from here we split already. We split the raised to 23 become 4 smaller components. From here we can use calculator. I have a question. If given number here terlampau besar, let's say 40 plus, 50 plus, and the subcomponent, the raised to also larger, because here larger, here also larger. Then if a larger, we have to split it again. That will be a tedious work. 2 hours might not be enough for your test. What do you think? How to solve? Do you ever use online conversion?
Yeah.
Do you ever? Yeah. Okay. Three of you, please find a website, online mode conversion. Find the website and put it into the chat box. Let's discuss together which website with the best conversion. That is our backup action. Why I say backup action? In case the number too large, there's no way for us to count, split and split again. Then we will use our second option, which is the online converter. Do you understand? If the number of small, use our normal method. But nobody can guarantee whether the assessment is small number or a large number, because any number can be. In case if a large number, we cannot apply our normal practice, then you still have another backup method. The three of you, please find the online mode converter and then put the link. After that, we can check. All right, Noel get one. Pharaoh and Kelvin also find and place it there. Let's check which one. Definitely more than one type. If you didn't like this user interface, you can have another one. Uh, I'm opening the file. Give me one moment. Why so slow? All right. Now for this converter, let me explain to you. What is this? Okay, for this converter, you might need to insert the first digit and the second digit. Let's say we have our question. What is the number just now? Okay, after calculate, remainder, where is your, how do you apply this to your question? If let's say we have this, okay, if let's say we
Oh,
have this question.
need to show the working. Yes.
Uh, can you see my PDF in the screen?
Yeah. Can.
So if let's say PDF, we have 88 raised of 7 mode 187. How you find this answer using your website? Which number?
No, I don't have. I only take the direct answer only.
How you get the answer?
The remainder two.
What is the first digit you will place in there?
Uh,
88.
88 power 7. So
88
uh,
modular 7. Like this. I'm not sure if you can see my screen. Let me stop presenting. One more time.
Oh, if me, yeah, I split the 7 88 power 7 into 88 power 4. Yeah, I do. I split.
I mean, you split first and then you find the answer. If let's say
Yeah,
straight away from 88.7 mode 187, we want to find the answer.
yeah, cannot.
So if using this, macam kurang satu, right? 88.7 modular, no, this is 88, the power not in here. So not
I mean,
so relevant. How about we try from Pharaohs? All right, we try this. We have the base. Base is 88. Okay, base is 88. Exponent is 7. And we have the modular 187. So 187. Now we calculate. Let's see if the answer is 11, Pharaoh. Answer is 11. So we can use this to find the final answer in case if the race number very big, like 30 plus, 40 plus. If we spend half an hour, 1 hour, just count this part, not worth it. Okay, in case big numbers, then you use the converter. I have a second question. So this one, no problem. We can find 11. If let's say we want to find the Diffie-Hellman, mana? That will be nice if you can use one website to do all our calculation. If let's say, see, yes, so many. This one. I hope I don't make you confused. If this one, this part, yeah, you look at here. By using substitution method, we find the private key. This is still modular, still modular. Private key is 6. How we get the 6? We try one by one. We substitute 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 until we get the result 9. Okay, until we get the result 9, the public key, which is same to the questions. My concern is the private key, we found 6 less than 10, still okay. We can do up to 6 steps, no problem. If the private key 20 plus, how are we going to try this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 until 20 plus? Is that a way for us to use online helper? Help us find the exponent with the answer, with the base, with the modular given, we need to find the exponent. Can we use this? Exponent sini tiada, right? Exponent. How about if exponent don't have? Then cannot count already. We need to find one tools online to do that. There is available, but I let you all find first. Okay, please keep on trying. Can we just directly write C1? Directly write C1? Let me check. Let me check before I answer you. I don't want to simply say yes or no. C equals to 11. Which one? C equals to 11. Okay. Which one are you referring? C equals to 11. This one? This one, right? You look at the marks allocation. You look at the marks allocation. Because I'm the working, I worry they will give marks to the working. This part. If the marks for the whole question roughly like 5 marks, I don't think you need this part. No need. If the marks like 10, 15, then you might. This part no problem for you to write, right? You just list in only. Whereas this one showing whether you understand how to find the 7. This is a process. Skip the middle calculation. Okay, let's look at the Kelvin's finding. Interesting, right? We need to find out something who back up ourselves. Okay, let's look at here. So we have base. Now we want to find exponent. Kelvin, tell me which one should I use if I want to find exponent?
The first one.
The first one.
We already said exponent, base, or modulus.
What is exponent?
The second one, the one said the B or the B.
The B, this one, right? This one,
yeah.
This one. So the base is 88, and the modular is, okay, base is 88, modular is 187, 187. Result means, no, salah soalan sudah. We are checking this. Okay, we are checking this. Now we want to find how to get the 6. So the base is 2, modular 11, result is 9. Okay, clear? 2, base is 2, modular 11, and the result is 9. So let me close. Okay, good try, everyone. So this is a 2. Yeah. This is 2. What is the modular just now?
11.
11, and the result is 2. So clear, base, we have modular, we have a result. This one we use to find unknown exponent. So one, we want to find exponent. Let's try if the answer correct. Here, results. Answer is, what is the answer here? How come I didn't see the answer? 2, betul kan ni? Base 2.
So we look at the top answer, right, which is 6.
Am I miss out the, where is the 6? Oh, overlook terlampau kecil. So 2, make sure the number we key in is correct. And then modular, and then find. So this one, they have a different pattern available. This one used to find unknown base. This one used to find unknown modulus. So at the moment, this is the best we have. So try to use, practice, try to use this to double check all the all the exercises that we did before, just to make sure the answer is the same. And we know how to use it. Okay, we find this because we want to protect ourselves in case the value too large. We need something, we need the system to help us. 3 of you understand?
Understand.
Okay, please take note this one. Yeah, that's all from me. So from my part, I need to show you Euclidean algorithm. From your practice, you please go through, use the online tools, double check with all our practice exercises. Make sure you can get the same answer. I mean, you know how to use it. In case the value too large, you have something to back up. If small number, you don't have to use it. You just use your normal practice. Okay. If you use, because that is, we learn the method, the process. You are studying computer, you need to understand how it works. If you use online, you might not know how. If without online tools, how you get the result, the process you need to know also. All right, that's all from me today. I hope our lesson today you can get something. Okay, so we try our best lah. Whatever I can think of, I will do my best to share my understanding to three of you. But this tool, frankly speaking, some of the tools during my time of study, we haven't know it yet. Technology getting improved. Like after 10 years later, perhaps you are learning something that you never learned now as well. So when I discover something useful and applicable to you, I will share with you. That's all from me. Yeah, that's all from me today.
Okay, Miss.
Mm. I will meet you next Monday.
No. Okay.
Take care, three of you.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Miss.
Please do revision. Do revision. We try next week have a three question. RSA, AES, and Diffie-Hellman. See you. Bye-bye.